Hello everyone, welcome to Jano TV. First question, which article deals with the abolition of titles? A. Article 18, B. Article 19, C. Article 21, D. Article 16. The correct answer is A. Article 18. Second question, which of the following is a North India dance form? A. Kuchipudi, B. Manipur, C. Bharatanatyam, D. Kathak. The correct answer is D. Kathak. Third question. Kuchipudi dance form is related to which of the following states? A. Uttar Pradesh, B. Chhattisgarh, C. Andhra Pradesh, D. Madhya Pradesh. The correct answer is C. Andhra Pradesh. Fourth question. Mohiniyattam dance form developed in which of the following states? A. Odisha, B. Kerala, C. Manipur, D. Tamil Nadu. The correct answer is B. Kerala. Fifth question. Mask dance is related to which dance form? A. Kuchipudi, B. Odissi, C. Kathakali, D. Manipur. The correct answer is C. Kathakali. Sixth question. Leela Samson is related to which dance form? A. Kuchipudi, B. Odissi, C. Kathakali, D. Bharatanatyam. The correct answer is D. Bharatanatyam. Seventh question. Aplana is the main folk art style of which state of India? A. Andhra Pradesh, B. Maharashtra, C. West Bengal, D. Madhya Pradesh. The correct answer is C. West Bengal. Eighth question. Ikebana is a Japanese art of A. Modern painting, B. Flower arrangement, C. Plants composition, D. Agriculture method. The correct answer is B. Flower arrangement. Ninth question. The oldest gharana of Hindustani music is A. Agra gharana, B. Jaipur gharana, C. Lucknow gharana, D. Gwalior gharana. The correct answer is D. Gwalior gharana. 10th question. Where is the headquarters of Eastern Command of the Indian Army? A. Pune, B. Kolkata, C. New Delhi, D. Mumbai. The correct answer is B. Kolkata. 11th question. The first amendment to the Constitution of India was made in the year A. 1948, B. 1949, C. 1951, D. 1956. The correct answer is C. 1951. 12th question. With which of the following sports the Team Kerala Blasters related? A. Cricket, B. Kabaddi, C. Football, D. Hockey. The correct answer is C. Football. 13th question. The largest planet in the solar system is A. Jupiter, B. Saturn, C. Uranus, D. Neptune. The correct answer is A. Jupiter. 14th question. Which of the following metals that can be easily cut with knife? A. Gold, B. Copper, C. Sodium, D. Aluminium. The correct answer is C. Sodium. 15th question. Merdeka Cup is associated with A. Cricket, B. Hockey, C. Football, D. Badminton. The correct answer is C. Football. 17th question. Kishore Sagar is a tourist destination located in which state? A. Gangtok, B. Kolkata, C. Kota, D. Manali. The correct answer is C. Kota. Question number 18. The Karachi Puja festival is mainly celebrated in which state? A. Sikkim, B. Tripura, C. Haryana, D. Odisha. The correct answer is B. Tripura. Question number 19. Vitamin A is obtained from which of the following? A. Milk, B. Orange, C. Spanish, D. Carrot. The correct answer is D. Carrot. 20th question. Who was the first Labour Minister of Independent India? A. John Mathai, B. Jagjeevan Ram, C. Dr. Rajendra Prasad, D. Ram Prasad Bismil. The correct answer is B. Jagjeevan Ram. Thank you for watching. Please share, like and subscribe to our channel.